550, 150 here. We are gonna do this last 5 minutes. This is going into the close. Let's see, real quick, run over overview. Been trading on Tesla today, and our current positions, we are up. Let's scratch my eye. I can't hardly see nothing. It's crazy. Anyway, that's enough about me. December 20th. Turn this down a little bit. Turn the music down. Turn the music down. Turn me up. Turn me up. Turn my mic up. Turn my music high. No. All right. So we are at December 2500 call. We're at 13% on that one. December 550 call. December 20th 550 call. We're at 33% on that. And we have a December 27th. That's next week. A 570 call. We are at negative 18% on that. Our January 17th 600 call. We're at 57% on that. All right. So what we got on our orders? So on our orders, we have an order in for that 500 call at 1050, sitting at 820. We got an order in for that 570 call for 450, sitting at 297. And we got an order for that 600 call at 13, sitting at 1130. Also, special mention, I got a pending order for NVIDIA, a 140 call in January for 130, and that's at 175. I had an opportunity to get in that at 150, and I probably should have took it, but I thought that might be too high. So this is truly at the low. We'll see what happens with that with NVIDIA. But 140, usually it hits 130 and it pulls back anyway, but we'll see how it goes. I don't trade NVIDIA that often, but I was looking at my watch list, and I saw where NVIDIA, where was I at? Which one was on? I don't know which one I had it on, but we'll put it on this one. NVIDIA has a lot of volume. Look at that. NVIDIA has more total volume than Tesla. I mean, I guess it's the largest company in the United States, so in the S&P 500. So that makes sense. So we're gonna start taking a look at that. Maybe we can make some money off of those two. You know, Tesla because it's tied to Elon and tied to DJT, and we'll see what happens with that. You know what I'm saying? So let's see, it's bouncing right now at 130. The range for 52-week high, 52-week 47 to 152, and the day's range is 126 to 131. So it's sitting in the middle. Tesla 457 for the day's range, 457.51 to 483.99. That is crazy. It's crazy how much Tesla runs up, man, lately. But anyway, back to where we at. Let's go to the chart. Thought we were making a run into going into power hour. Pulled up. Didn't touch it. Did not make it to the all-time high. But we did make a, where did we get? We ran right here. Let's see. Yeah, we got right there. We ran out of gas. So we could be pulling back to give it some gas so it can go up again. Could be. That could be what's happening. Maybe, possibly. That's where it started, where it broke down at last time. When it was at the all-time high, it broke down right there. That's where it gave up. The buyers gave up. So that could be happening again, but we are running out of time. We got 3 minutes left for the market close. S&P 500 is at 0.34%, which is up. It's up from what it was this morning. Russell, oh, Rusty Russ is keeping everybody down, man. I swear. They said that the Russell 2K was going to be what saved the day, and it's not holding its weight. It's not pulling its weight. Let's just say that. So we are at 1.17% on the Rusty Russ. All right. Let's see, did we hit this? Yeah, we broke below that 9. Broke below that 9. We're coming up on that 48, and 200 is way down here. But like I said, we traded sideways. We traded in a range. This is just, if you're doing options, this is called burning out your premium. Like, so really, they just burned out a lot of my premium today. And I've been thinking about maybe starting to trade at the end of the day, or get into trades, get in positions at the end of the day instead of at the beginning of the day for the next. But then the premium get burnt out overnight because it's a 24-hour game, man. You just don't get to participate. Another case for trading futures. Trust me, I'm looking at it. I am looking at it. But we'll see how that goes too. There's more to be learned, more knowledge to gain. Right now, though, options is where we at. As you can see right here now, we're down. We only got 2% on that, 10% on the other, negative 26 on that. And that's the pullback. We're hitting 48. 48 is the same as a VWAP, if I'm not mistaken, but they're close to it. Let's take a look. Let's add the VWAP on here. Where is the VWAP at? Normally it's so I gotta go to all studies. Go over here to VWAP, and it's crazy. All these ways are different ways that people make money. It's insane. Like somebody really uses, what is that, linear regression, R2, and that's how they make money. There's another person that might use the put call ratio to make money. Prime number oscillator, swing index, super trend. I've heard of that right there. ATR, that's where you trade at, yeah. So anyway, VWAP, that's what we're gonna look at. We're gonna make the VWAP be, we'll let it be, no, not red, because our 200 is red. We'll make the VWAP be blue. Nothing's blue. All right, so let's see, where is the VWAP at? Wow, VWAP is way down here. So let's take a look at it on the full chart and see what Tesla's been doing for us. I'll look at that. Markets closed. Large green, large volume going in. A little too late, but that's what happened. Let's add VWAP to this chart also. All studies. Go over here at VWAP. We'll make VWAP be blue. Did I not click blue? Blue. Thank you. VWAP is all the way down here. So, I mean, for what it's worth, look at this. Going over Tesla right quick. It traded right in line. Just below the VWAP that was at 12. And then it came back up, touched it, and it just slid through there. That's it. Ran up a little bit, but nothing remarkable. It didn't really give us anything to do today. Didn't give us anything to do. Last candle is a red candle. Some people say that the last candle is a red candle. That means that the market's going to be going down tomorrow as far as Tesla, or it's going to continue going down. That was super green on the volume, but it was a red doji. And it doesn't matter anyway because it's closed and we are out the gate. Where are we at? We are sitting our positions. 1050 order in, 750 is the price. 450 order in, 260 is the price. 13 order in, 1050 is the price. And nothing for nothing. Today, I think we ended today as a red day because most of it got killed on this that put that I had, that Tesla put 440. I should not have purchased that, and if I did, I should have got out of that early. Like as soon as I did it, as soon as I realized it was a bad idea, I should have got out of it that day, but I didn't because, well, I just didn't. Market psychology, trading psychology, man, and I tell you, sometimes I suck at it. So anyway, as you can see here in the after hours, Tesla started to make a run back up. It's at 480, so maybe they're buying, the big dogs are buying it back up again. Who knows where these positions will be when we come back in. All right, so we'll leave these orders in because maybe it'll get caught up. Something miraculous might happen in the pre-market and in the market open, and snatch one of those and we get some money. Not a lot of money, but a little bit of money, and we'll see what happens. All right, and then it'll probably just run up all day, and I'll be sick to the stomach the rest of the day. But it is what it is. Green is green. That's where we at. Now I think I may change this. Oh, that order is over. Yeah. Okay, so that's good. I did take that one out. I put that in just for today because this 570, that could happen. And this 600 to 500, I'm gonna leave that at 10. We'll go back and double check. The 500 call. Yeah, I'll leave that at 10. No, I'm gonna change that to 7. Considering that we're going up, I'll change those orders. I'm going to change these because get rid of that one. Cancel that one. We'll put some fresh ones in. In the morning, we'll revisit this in the morning. God's will. This 13, yeah, we'll get rid of that too. Put some fresh orders in the morning. Now, what we will keep is oh no, that's out too. We had that NVIDIA. This one, well, that didn't work out. But we'll keep that in mind, that 140. Matter of fact, how will we keep that in mind? No, it's too late. I'm not able to do any of these. So we'll just keep that in mind for tomorrow. We'll keep an eye on this NVIDIA. I'm going to study that a little bit more. But we'll keep an eye on this NVIDIA. What is this? NVIDIA 140. NVIDIA 140 call. All right, stocks are crazy. Stocks 5150. Time is 4:05. Market is closed. And if you made some money or you did make some money or you lost some money, gave some money up, but you never lose because you learn, you know what I'm saying? So that's just how it goes, baby. That's how it goes. The game is the game, man. I love the game. You know, investments to watch. Look at this. Everything ended, yeah. Well, like the chart says, red. We ended down, but it's all good. We are not complaining over here. It's people that ain't got no food to eat, man. We trying to make it, you know. So there we go. There we go. Look at this. Only 3 were positive today, and only 1 on the index, on the spiders. Consumer discretionary, and that's because of those numbers that were like slightly higher than expected. Man, crazy. Stocks are crazy, man. But I really do still think that this is just pulling back, taking a breath, and then shoot off for tomorrow. Exhale. You know what I'm saying? Take a breath and then exhale. Then we'll get gold. We'll be green. We'll be green. Close out the year strong. We are at December 17th. We have, what is that? Almost 10 days, maybe 10 days left. 10 days for trading, that matters anyway. And that'll be it, man. Yeah, look at that. Boom. It's going to float sideways right here. Not a bad area to sit because that gives it a little bit of, if we get down to here or we stay within this range, we know that we can touch 480 again. Because we sit sideways like so all night, we'll definitely break up above 480. Or, depending on what Jay Powell says and how they feel about it, people could take profits and shoot down. But I mean, everybody knows he's going to say 25 basis points. But it's the press conference when they ask all those dang on questions and how he responds is what sinks or swims the market. Sinks or swims the market. Thinks or swims or sinks or swims. It sinks how the market thinks. It causes the market to react one way or another. And I'm gonna leave my VWAP on here too from here on out. And yeah, so it's right here. Yeah. All right. Shout out to whoever I'm giving shout outs to. Everybody that's listening. And that includes me. It's probably just me. But this is more so I can go back and do my play-by-plays. You know what I'm saying? And see how things go. And life is good, man. Stocks 5150. Stocks are crazy. We out. Peace. Music, please.